Good morning, world. Today we're talking about 5 ways to develop common interests in a relationship. Sometimes a couple gets together, and as great as the chemistry between the two of them may be, they may find that they lack common interests. They may not enjoy the same things. And what that does is it puts you in a situation where you usually have to choose between going out and doing those things that you enjoy doing or spending time with your partner. But a remedy to that issue is having common interests. That way you're doing both, spending time with each other as well as doing those things that you enjoy doing. So ways to develop a common interest include the first, which is 1, have a fulfilling life independent of the relationship. I know I'm saying, hey, do things together, and then I say, go have your own life. The reason you need to have a fulfilling independent life is because when you have your own interests, when you have your own things that you enjoy, it makes it easier for you to accept and support your partner having a life that is independent of the relationship. While your partner is out doing ABCD that they enjoy, you're out doing XYZ that you enjoy. So it does not you're not as bothered by the fact that that they are away doing things that they enjoy. You actually support it because you get to do your own thing. 2, explore new and neutral things together. Sometimes a couple or people in a relationship will want their partner to like or start doing those things that they enjoy. It's great to expose your partner to it, but more neutral activities can sometimes be better because neither partner will feel like they're being pushed into the other person's world. You guys are developing new interests, liking and exploring, learning and developing new passions that you share, as opposed to someone feeling that they're giving up their interests in order to pursue or follow into your interests. 3, take part in the special occasions. You're not going to like everything they like. If your partner is a sports fan, you may not like sports. If your partner is a theater fan, you may not like theater. So you don't have to go to every game they want to go to. You don't have to go to every play, but there will be those situations where it's a special occasion. And it's important to share that with them, because even though it may not be your cup of tea, but by the fact that it's so important to your partner, maybe their team makes the playoff and they get playoff tickets and they want to share that with you. Those types of things, those exceptions you can make, and it makes it, because those are exceptions and not everyday situations, it makes it easier for you to go along and do it because you're doing it that one time or on those rare occasions as opposed to all the time. So take part in special occasions. 4, learn about each other's interests. When you learn about the things that your partner likes, it makes it easy. At first, it shows that you're putting in some effort. You're making an effort. You're showing interest in them and what they like. The other part of it is that it helps you become a better. It improves the communication. Because sometimes something will happen, they want to share that with you, and they come and try to have a conversation, but you're clueless. When you take time to learn about their interests, if they want to have a conversation with you about something, you're better able to participate in that conversation. You're better able to support them in their passion. And of course, you may find that as you're learning more about it, that you end up actually liking it. So take time to learn about the things that your partner likes. And finally, learn together. Learning together helps you grow together. And as you're growing together, you're developing and building new interests together. Whether it's taking a class, reading books together, whatever it is, you should always be taking the time to learn something with your partner, because it's a very special way for you to grow and connect as a couple. I mean, it's just super awesome. You should all just learn something with your partner. All right, quick recap. 1, have a fulfilling life independent of the relationship, because it helps you support your partner's interests. 2, explore new and neutral things together, because it gives you an opportunity to develop and build new passions, new interests together, and no one has to give up anything for the other. 3, take part in special occasions. Those are once in a while things that you do to let your partner know that, hey, I may not like this, but because of you, I'm doing it. 4, learn about each other's interests because it helps with communication. You're better able to participate when they want to share things with you. And finally, learn together because it's a great way to grow together and it helps you develop new interests again. And as always, whether it's you or someone you know who may be going through something that is more than you can handle, there's all that help out there. So do reach out and get some help. And that is all we have for today. Good morning, world. Have an awesome day.